Okay, so welcome to my channel, Anonymous TV. So on my channel, I'm going to be doing basically everything. If you read the description, you probably already know. I'm anonymous, okay? I prefer to stay anonymous unless I get called out or something, which I'm not going to, because like almost nobody knows me except some people. Okay, I'm not going to say who. So yeah, today we're going to be covering taxes and fees. This is the first episode of my middle school math series. Yeah, I'm going to do a lot of other episodes, maybe 20-ish more, okay? So I'm going to try to post like every other day in the summer, but when school arrives, I still go to school because you could probably hear my voice. I'm very young, okay? I'm gonna tell you that. Okay, if I stumble a lot, sorry. Okay? So when school starts again, I'm probably gonna try to post like every 2 weeks-ish. I might not even have time. I'm a very busy kid, okay? So let's get into it. So method. Geez. This is already starting out bad. So method number 1. So let's see. So there's 1 cent in. There's 1 cent in a tax to every dollar. Okay, so if you don't know what that means, it's 1 out of 100, okay? So that means every price you get, you divide by 100. Okay? So, example. So, you want a book, say a book that is, let's say it's $17. I just messed up, okay? Forgive me. That's $17, okay? Step number 1, okay? So, first you just do what I said. $17 divided by 100, that's gonna be 17 cents. If you don't see me writing like the division sign or like the cent sign, I'm sorry because I don't know how to write it. I don't want to write it with my hand, so I'm just going to type it. But for the division sign, I'm just going to do the slash. Okay, basically the same thing. So that's going to be 17 cents. Why did I just switch to? Okay, whatever. So now you're going to do that. So then you're going to do 17 times the tax. Oh, God. the tax. Okay, so let's say the tax is 5%. Okay? So here's what you do. You do 17 times 5. And that's going to equal, as you know, you do 5 times 10, that's 50. Then you do 50 times 35 because 5 times 7 is 35. And that's going to be 85. Yeah. So it's going to be cents because it was 17 cents times 5, okay? So there we go. So you add it all up, $17 plus 85 cents. That equals, probably all know by now, $17.85. I'm sorry if I'm forgetting to put that at the beginning. I don't know. Okay. So that's how to do it. So now we go to fees. There's also, I accidentally put it in one whole step. So this is step 2, right? Okay. So that's step number 2. Oh God, I mixed up. So that's step number 2. Okay, so yeah. Let's just break it up into 2 steps. You know what? Let's do 3. Honestly. Step number 3. Sorry if my videos suck. I'm only doing this for fun. I don't really even need you guys to watch this, honestly. I'm just doing it for my own entertainment. I'd be happy if you, supported me, but yeah, I honestly don't care. Okay, so moving on to fees. So fees. Okay, so you borrow a bike for, let's say, $40. I'm sorry, I put it behind it again. Sorry, I just suck. Okay, so after you do that, so the late fee is, let's see, what should it be? Let's say 10%. Okay, so after you do that, here's what you do. So you do step number 1 first. Hey, you all know that we're late, okay? Where else was I gonna go? What would I do if we weren't late, okay? Jeez. Okay, so step number 1. Okay, so step number 1 is gonna be, it's basically the same as tax. So 40 divided by 100. Oh yeah, I put 1,000. Okay, so that's gonna be 40 cents. Okay, so after you do that, you do 40 times the tax, which is 10%. So then it's 10, okay? And that's going to equal 400. Okay, translate that, and that's going to be, if you translate that, dang it, if you translate that, it is $4. This was a pretty easy example. You could probably just do 40 divided by 10. That would be 4. But it's an example, okay? If you want more problems, you can find something. I'm not sponsoring anything because I'm a terrible YouTuber. I just started. So, yeah. Yeah, I give terrible examples. That's what I do. Okay? So, you translate that to $4. Okay? So, then step number 2. You do $40 plus $4. And that's $44. Okay, so let's give another example for both. I'm just gonna stop talking. You can do it yourself. And then I'm just gonna explain it afterwards. So you can do it, and yeah, I'll give you probably like, let's say, I'll probably give you like 3 minutes or so. I'll probably actually only give you a minute. You can pause it. Okay? So, here we go. So, here you go. Like I said, I'm just going to stop talking and write you a problem for both taxes and fees. Okay, so have you figured them out yet? Okay, so let's go over problem number 1. Okay, so first you do 100 divided by 100. We all know that equals $1 because we were referencing dollars right now, okay? So then you do 1 times 8, and that equals $8, okay? So now you do 100 plus 8, and that equals $108. So that's the answer for problem number 1. Did you get it right? Because I hope you did. I'm not going to want you to fail, okay? So yeah. Okay, so let's go over problem number 2 yet. So you rent a movie for $30. So you do 30 divided by 100. Okay? So that's going to be 30 cents. So that's going to be 30 cents. Okay? So after you do that, you do 30 times 20, and that equals 60. So you were referring to cents. Sorry, it's 600. Okay, so you were referring to cents the whole time. So that turns into $6. So that's $6. Okay? So after you do that, you add 30 plus 6, and that equals $36. So that's the final answer. You can also think of this one as this, because 20 is five times less, let's just say that, than 100. It's 100 is 5 times more than 20. Let's just put it that way. So then you can do 5 divided by 30, and that would also be $6, and then you just add them at the end. It's the same thing. So I hope you liked it. You can take a screenshot of both screens. So you take a screenshot of this one and that one. So I'll see you next time, maybe tomorrow.